not messing around.
Oh, look at this thing. This is the hardest part to make.
Yeah, yeah.
What about this?
That looks like white chicken legs.
I know, but see my muscles. Look at that.
What kind of South American? I'm more South American than you are.
Because you go to the beach a lot. I'm not. I can't wear it.
Beach or no beach, you're a white boy.
Whoa,
You're
yeah.
more white than
Dude, he's whiter than I am.
Yeah, he doesn't go
And
to
I'm
beach.
white.
See? you're a gringo, bro.
Somehow.
Yeah, somehow.
Somehow. Something happened there.
All right, let's get to business, man. So, trying to figure out what the heck we're gonna do with this car, because you know the white I'm not crazy about, but it's a beautiful car. It's a 22 with like a couple of thousand miles on it. Highly spec car from factory. You see all the exterior carbon, interior was carbon seats. I mean, is loaded up. It's like one step below tailor-made. I mean, it had tons of options. So we're doing a full white body on the car. This is our second one. We did the black one a couple of years ago, remember, for SEMA. So we're doing a full white interior. As you guys see, all this is completely gutted. We're doing white with the red accents. I'll show you inside how he's working on it. Red accents, white, complete white interior. We're gonna paint all the carbon white, clear polish wheels on it, slam, full exhaust. The car will be pretty amazing, and we're gonna do some red accents on the exterior, but that's gonna be the basic look of the car. You know, Marlon is getting all the kit fitted, getting everything set up to start cutting and installing the kit. So I wanna show you kind of what I have in mind on the interior. We finally got our $100,000 CNC machine up and running. Javi has a lot of work. Look, this is everything on this car, and the interior was blue. Beautiful, don't get me wrong, but it wasn't going like the navy blue with the red. It's kind of funky. We had the car like that. Remember the F8?
Yep.
Had the blue interior. We had a hard time selling it. I knew that if we just do the exterior, it probably would sell, but we're talking blue carpet too. So we're changing everything. Everything blue on this car is gonna be gone. It's gonna turn white with the red accents. Here is Javi at work. You see that interior is coming together really nicely.
The Italian stripe is amazing.
It's amazing.
Oh my
Like
goodness.
that's our signature move. That's Javi's signature move.
Oh, yeah.
The first time I asked him to do it, he laughed at me. He did. He laughed at me.
Just like
And-
that.
Yeah, exactly. It's like, but now he's like automatic. So he tells me, so Italian flag in the middle, and I'm like, yes, sir. You see the little strap, our signature seat belt through it.
I think our most complimented interior touch is our seatbelts.
Is it really?
I think so.
Yeah.
I think a lot of people.
I mean, it's different.
Oh yeah, I mean, no one really does this. I mean, and you got to see also the design we're doing
Yeah.
with the ghosted logo.
ghosted logo,
It
yeah.
fades. It's always the same color as the interior or the
Yeah.
accent.
Accent, yeah.
So
So this will be really, really nice. White on white, pretty much. I want to do white wheels, but we decided to have it like a piece of jewelry. Really high finish, really nice high-end wheels that we're working with MB Forge. Actually, it's the AL13 wheels. Same ones we did on the black one. So they're gonna do something a little different. They're gonna try to add some kind of arrow ring in the front so we can paint the arrow ring. One part is carbon that matches the carbon on the car. The smaller piece will be white with the red accent. So he's working on that. They don't know if they can make it happen or not, but David's working on that for us. A couple of things that we finished for one of our clients. The F8 is completely done. This is one of our older builds that we did. We bought it back and sold it to another client in Canada, one of our favorite clients, Donovan. He wanted to change a few things on it, which we did. We changed the stripe, we changed the center caps to Ferrari center caps. We changed the shield from the CAVIAR shield to the carbon shield. We re-PPF the whole entire car. The car's amazing. Oh, we did the full tune,
Yep.
full exhaust,
Full exhaust tune.
and we have that dynoed it too. Yeah, this car sounds. It's an amazing car, man. It's one of my favorite cars. This car we should take to Cars and Caviar on Sunday.
let's do it.
You know, that would be a great car to showcase there. So those are basic stuff we're doing on the 812. We're super busy. We got our hands full with Carlex. Everybody knows that. You know, the pink G-Wagon went viral. Everybody knows about the pink G-Wagon. So we have 4 of these guys on production now. There's one. I mean, just so people see what it takes. People are like, why is it so expensive? Because it's a lot of work. It's not the full interior itself has to be created, be shipped to Poland at the factory. They just want to do the interior at the factory for the time being. We're going to eventually move all the production here to take everything out. You got to repaint paint the car twice, two-tone, is a lot of work. I mean, everything has to be stripped down. We have this one pretty much prepped, ready to go into the paint. So first you have to do all the door jambs, then you have to do all the door jambs on the car, then you have to mask everything and do one paint line down, then you have to put the stripe, then you have to clear the whole entire car. So it's a ton of labor, ton of work. Our goal is to do 5 of these cars a month. We're only done 1 so far that everybody knows about, but I think that eventually with time we'll get better at it. We're gonna just focus a team just for the Carlex. So that's our goal. This is a Rose Vintage because we had another client that wanted one. We're doing a new one. There's a limited edition one called CAVIAR. It's one of 7 that has the convertible roof material on it. Electric side step is only 7 of them gonna be built. They already sold 4. Ours is the 5th one, and they have 2 more available. That's a limited edition CAVIAR. We're doing one logo, which is the new color. It's like a Tiffany blue color, really sweet. I think this one is going to be the pink. That one's going to be the logo in there. And then we do the CAVIAR. And the 4th one is for our local Mercedes-Benz dealership. They haven't picked the color yet. They actually picked one color that I'm going to find out if that's a limited edition or not, because it doesn't specify online. So we're pretty excited about Carlex. It's beautiful. It's such a unique, when they get done, they're so unique. Stay tuned with us. We'll kind of give you an update on that. We have a big show coming up, Cars and Caviar, this weekend, that we're going to debut our SEMA build Widebody Revuelto. We're changing some stuff on it, so it should be kind of cool. And we'll have some really cool cars out there.
Yeah. You can get a small little taste of what we're trying to do with the interior here. Sai mentioned that we're doing a white and red themed interior, mainly white, but with some red accents. Javi has this steering wheel done here, and you can kind of get a feel with the white leather and the white paint, but you can see the red stitching on the inside of the steering wheel with some of the red leather on the accents or the outside of this steering wheel. This looks absolutely stunning, but let's go into his room and let's check out the rest of what he's working on. As of right now, Javi is constructing these seats, and they look absolutely beautiful. As you can see, the perforations lead towards the center. Beautiful Italian stripe running down the center of the seat. But these are not just your average seats. This Ferrari A12 GTS is optioned with the carbon fiber bucket seats. This is a very expensive and sought out option with the Ferrari A12. One of my personal favorite things about the interior, besides obviously the color and design, is the fact that this one is optioned with the carbon bucket seats, because so many people want that in their A12. And then when you pair carbon bucket seats with a beautiful white leather with red accents, you can't get better than that. See, Javi is doing the double stitch across the sides of the seats here. It looks absolutely stunning, giving that little red touch with all of the white going on here. Sooner than later, you will see an update in one of our YouTube videos with the seat completed, but right now you can see the before, the OEM blue and red theme that's going on here. But this is a very expensive option from the factory, the navy blue and the red. But like Sai was saying, we tried selling a Ferrari F8 a little while ago that had that navy blue interior, and it was a little bit difficult of a sale. So we are going to avoid that in this one. From the past and building tons of Ferraris and other exotic supercars, you kind of learn what people like and what people don't like. A lot of people like the neutral colors with the bright accents. For example, this A12 GTS, we did the exact same thing on a super fast, but that was a matte black exterior with a royal bright blue interior. People absolutely loved that one, hence why we're doing another Zakoi wide body kit. But with this one, obviously carbon buckets, we are going with a little bit more of a simpler interior with that white and red, but we are not making it simple because of all of the little details, the Italian flag running down the middle, all of the red accents on the side. We're keeping the colors as neutral as possible, but still keeping a little bit of character in the seats. So I know Sai briefly mentioned the Cars and Caviar event this weekend, Sunday from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. I'll put the address right below me here. It is at Cafe Monarch. They are hosting it for us. But I do want to talk about the car that is behind me here, the Lamborghini Revuelto, our wide body project we did for SEMA of 2025. This car is currently getting a color change right now with colored PPF. This one will be debuted at the show. You guys will see the reveal of this color Sunday. That is the only car that I know as of right now that is guaranteed to go. So let's go talk to Sai real quick and see what other cars we can take to Cars and Caviar that you guys have the chance to see in person. So I'm talking to all the viewers about Cars and Caviar. I talked on the Widebody Revuelto. What other cars are we going to be taking?
I think we'll take the F8.
F8, K-Vonnie
F8. We'll take the Revuelto. Obviously, we'll bring the Dawn. Maybe the Rolls-Royce Phantom. I don't know.
Yeah.
This 812. So I wish the other car was done.
That's
the 812.
Oh, right, yeah, the 812, yeah.
One. But we'll have that one for
Concourse in the Hills. That one will be there. You guys heard it here first, so we'll have tons of cars there. And I want to talk about something really quick that Destiny did for Sai. So we all know that Sai's birthday was back in December. He went on a vacation with his family, spent a lot of good time with them. And Destiny got Sai this beautiful picture here.
This is my late father, God bless his soul. It was one of the greatest men in my life. Taught me and my brother and my sister everything, you know, how to behave and how to treat people and how to be honest and how to be a better person to help other people. So, you know, I miss him. To see him in the portrait was very touching. I loved it. You know, it was very thoughtful from Destiny to do that, and you know, it's a great. I'm gonna take it home, frame it obviously, and hang it at home. But it was a great gift. Really thoughtful, really thoughtful. I absolutely love it. Kudos to her to really go above and beyond. You know, my mom is still alive, and she's like, I send pictures to them. She's like, why am I not in the picture? So I get a little bit in trouble, but I know what she was thinking. So that got me a little bit in trouble because mom's like, I'm not in there, and you know, and so on and so forth. But it's a beautiful picture. My dad looks exactly. I look like 10 years younger, so I'm like, good job, Destiny. And
So like Sai was mentioning, the 812 GTS is underway, obviously getting the Zakoi Carbon wide body package. We built another one of these a little while ago back for SEMA 2024. It did absolutely amazing, and Marlon absolutely killed it with that one, and he's going to make this one, if not better than that one. Obviously, this one is a GTS version of that one, so it has the drop top, and a lot of people want that GTS rather than the super fast. A lot of people, like myself, love the GTS or convertible cars. That top-down open-air experience in a car such as the 812 is such a crazy and unique experience that you don't really get with a lot of these cars. Swinging back to the Cars and Caviar event that's going on, Anthony over here is absolutely killing it. Good job. This thing looks amazing. Doing a car like this and how crazy it is, especially with PPF rather than wrap, you can imagine how difficult the process may be. If you guys want to see this car, it'll be there Sunday for that event. It'll be at Cafe Monarch. I will see you guys here this weekend at Cafe Monarch.